Good morning, you guys. Today is March 31st and I'm here at Lakeshore by Marine Park. Today's episode of our chocolatier taste testing chocolate favori will be held here at Lakeshore. I'm so excited because today is gonna be sunny and warm and no more snow. Please, dear God, no more snow. And I brought my coat just in case it's chilly, but it's manageable. So today I actually got my TB test, hence the band-aid. And I was originally just gonna go and get my chest x-ray because you know, I test positive for TB, but it's a false positive, so I have to get a chest x-ray to prove that my lungs are clear. And I decided to just drive by here to see like what it's like, and then I said screw it, I'm gonna go here instead. My chest x-ray can wait. And there's people staring at me. Okay. And there's a druggie in the corner. The water is actually so therapeutic. It's so peaceful. Hi. I want my background to be the water. And I have my chocolat finale. I'm gonna do this quick because I can't stay on my knees very long. Oh, the chocolates all jumped. Okay, last row, you guys. Miss Colorful oval shaped chocolate. Her name is Saint Crank. I won't do the butchering the French, and I'll go ahead and taste. So this is her. %35 chocolate. And this one is sweet. Yep. It's too sweet. All right. Next one. Where's the brown? Amerito Citron. And this is what it looks like. I like that kick. The citrusy kick. There's an old couple staring at me with their bikes. They're so cute. Okay guys, our last and final chocolate testing. I can't tell what this one is. Ugh. Oh, our last one is hibiscus fruit. She has 70% dark chocolate with crystal framboise. Alright. And here she is. This one's not too sweet. Just right. Oh my gosh, I have to stand up. I just realized, you guys, that I think I was against the sun. So my face might look dark. Anywho, I'll see you shortly. I'm just gonna enjoy the rest of my view here, and then I'll end my vlog in the car. It started raining, you guys. So right when I stopped filming, I had a good like maybe 1 minute to myself. And then I see this one huge raindrop on my tights, and I thought it was just the tree, and then it just started pouring. Thank goodness I was able to finish filming before it started raining. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I am just gonna finish my melon milk, and then I'm gonna go straight to work. Okay, bye.